Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel today. This is your girl Cynthia ELEWUWA. Well, as you can tell, I am feeling myself. I mean, who wouldn't feel herself in this sexy, beautiful, purplish, yellowish, goldenish look? Oh my goodness, don't mind me guys. So today I am so excited. I am very excited, and I know you can tell today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial with ta-da, the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. Oh my goodness guys, this palette has a story attached to it. Okay, so it was on Valentine's Day and I was chatting with my friend on her live stream, and her name is Combatant Maggie. That's her channel name. Her name is Margaret, but her channel name is Combatant Maggie. So I was chatting with her and I was like, Meg, what are you gonna give me for Valentine's Day? Ain't you gonna give me any gift for Valentine's? And she was like, Cynthia, please leave me, oh. And I said, Meg, no, you have to get me something. And she was like, okay, what do you want? I said, I want Jaclyn Hill palette. I said, Cynthia, okay, how much is it? I mean, if it's too expensive, girl, you're on your own. And I'm like, no. So she said, okay, she was gonna look it up, and she looked it up and decided, and ta-da! Now I have my palette. I mean, it's been like 2 weeks or almost 2 weeks since she made the order. Okay, I've waited for a very long time just to get this palette, but all to no avail. And I was about creating my new content today with my other palettes, and ta-da, I just had a truck, the delivery truck, hood their horn, and they delivered it to me, and I was like, oh my goodness, it just came right on time. So as you can see, this is the packaging. Okay, this is what it looks like. The packaging is okay, even though it looks, you know, big. Maybe for people that travel a lot, they might not be able to put it in a small bag to travel with, but other than that, I don't have a problem with it. I mean, it's big, the bigger the better, right? I mean, when it's big, don't mind me guys, when it's big like this, it means it has a lot of, you know, deliciousness inside. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I created this look using this palette today. So I want to say a big thank you to my friend Maggie. I'm gonna put her channel name down below on my screen. Okay, I'm gonna put it, so if you want to go check her out. She is a lovely soul. I mean, speaking to her sometimes makes me feel I have a sister from another mother. She is just very cool. I love her. Anyway, so this is it. We have I think it's about 35 shades in this palette. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful look with this palette, just keep watching and don't go anywhere. Thank you, Maggie. Thank you, Combatant Maggie. Combatant Maggie? Really? Combatant Maggie. Thank you so much, babes. I love the palette. I love it so much, and I'm gonna do good with it. I promise you. So now I'll be creating something fun and something beautiful with this palette today. So now I'm going to be going in with this purple shade right here, which is Not My Journey. I'm gonna, oh my god, Oh my god. So I'm just gonna start here. Ooh. This is beautiful, guys. So guys, I've already primed my eyes, and yeah, I am just so excited for this palette. Okay guys, the next shade I'm gonna be taking will be this lighter purple here, Therapy Sesh. So I'm gonna be taking Therapy Sesh, and then I'll use it to blend out this harsh purple. So guys, now I'll be going in with this shade right here, My Man. So I'm using a smaller brush. So I'll put my man right here. Ooh. The next thing I'm gonna be doing, guys, is to cut my crease. Ooh. So guys, now I'll be cutting my crease because I want this eyeshadow to really pop. So let's cut the crease. Now that we've cut the crease, I'm still gonna be going back with my Journey, the first shade we went in with. Not my Journey. So I'm gonna go in with it, and I'll start off with here as well. Now using the second shade that we went in with, which is Therapy Sesh, this shade right here, I'm still gonna take it and continue blending. So I'm gonna place Therapy Sesh right here, just right in front of the Not My Journey. Just to lighten it up and, you know, remove any harsh lines. And now guys, the finale, the one that's been making me so happy in this whole palette. It is time to dig into, guess, no joke. Yep, this yellow, beautiful yellow shade right here is what I'm gonna be going in with, and it's called No Joke. Woo! I don't know how pigmented it's gonna be, but I'm just gonna try to apply it without spraying any liquid on this brush. So let's see. Okay, I'm experiencing some some fallout, but so far so good. I think it's better. It will be better if I spray just a little water on it so that it will be packed. So let's keep going. Ooh, I am loving it. It's a bit dusty, as you can see here. It's a bit dusty, but it's still okay. It's amazing. Look at that color. Oh my god, look at that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. It's so exciting. I am loving it. I am just being tempted to spray just a little water on this brush and then pack it in. Should I just let this temptation take me, or should I just continue what I'm doing? I think I'll just continue. Oh Lord, this is heavenly. This is just heavenly. Just imagine that beautiful yellow color. I am so excited. Woo! Wow, 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 guys. I mean, look. Yes, the next shade I'm gonna be going in is with this Thalia. This is a yellow golden shade, like a golden shimmery glitter shade. So I'm just gonna use my finger and see what happens. Wow, wow. This looks like pure gold, guys. Just imagine. See that? I'm just gonna go in with it. I'm not sure it's gonna do so well with a brush, so hence my finger. So I'm gonna put it just right here on top of this yellow. So guys, now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'll highlight and contour. Now go ahead and bake my face. I'll go ahead and bake. Now for my waterline, guys, I'll be using my NYX Cosmetics blue eyeliner. Using an eyeliner pencil, I'm also gonna line my eyelids. For my under eyes, I'm gonna be using Not My Journey. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it right here and join it to this one. I'm gonna try to join it to the upper one. So I'll bring it all the way to the front. Now I'm gonna take Therapy Sesh, this, and my man, and I'm gonna join them together, and I'll still go back. So now for my mascara, I'll be using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just gonna define my lashes. Using my Kat Von D Shade and Light in the shade Sombre. I'm gonna be using it to set my contour. My lashes, my false lashes. For my highlighter, I'm gonna be using this shade in this palette, a minute. Apply it right here on my cheekbone. just right here, just on the tip of my nose. And now for my blush, I'll be using my favorite blush from pharmacy. This is an old blush of mine, but very good, going on my cheekbone, just in a circular motion like this. Using my lip liner, I'm gonna be lining my lips. Now I'm gonna be using this mini lipstick from Sephora in the shade Rogue Velout, please. I'm just gonna be using it, and I'll just put it here on my lips. So guys, I'll be finishing up my lip with this orangey like lipstick. I don't know the name because it was given to me, you know, by MAC when I went to buy some stuffs. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna be topping it on the other one. So guys, I'll also be putting this shade right here, the Aminate, this one and this one. I'm gonna mix the two up, and then I'm gonna be putting it right here at the corners of my eyes. Now I'll be finishing up this look with my setting spray. And this is our final look, guys. This is our final look. I mean, look at those eyes. Everything is just pumpy. Pop. Look at the lips, the eyes. Everything is just popping. I have a lot of options to create looks from this particular palette. I am so in love. Jaclyn Hill, you did great. I mean, so there were some fallouts, okay, from this yellow shade. It was like feeling dusty, and this journey right here, not my journey, I had to, you know, build it up before it was able to stick. But regardless, this palette is the bomb. I love it. Well done, Jaclyn Hill. Well done, girl, you did great. I love it. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Let's make this channel a very beautiful channel and a place to be. Look at that. Anyway, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.